You can house multiple template types right here in the proposal generator so that when you come to proposal templates and select that, you will have a drop down of all the different templates that you saved. So an administrator, a system administrator, or an executive can come over to company settings and then to proposal settings, select add new template, and then just go ahead and name that template in the company settings. And then when you come back to your proposal, you'll see that that template now populates in the drop-down, and you can go ahead and select it and start adding sections and content to it. So we have a lot saved here, but right here at the bottom is the new one we just made.